You ever been to SEMA? All these people on YouTube are always talking about SEMA this and SEMA that. I've never been. You ever been? No, but every 3 years I go to the Conexpo show in Vegas. You ever been to that? What's that? Really? You claim to be the #1 channel, all things blue collar, and you don't even know what the Conexpo is? But you know what? That is one awesome shirt. Oh, this right on. This is T&B Culture. It's inspired by industrial art. He's dropping new collections about every month or so. You got streetwear, Galaxy, and my favorite's the blue collar. It's industrial art. It's showing the softer side of blue collar. You should check them out. Man, those shirts are awesome. I just picked up the One Unity one. They got them in all different colors. You know what, man? I'm gonna tell you about the Conexpo.
Get ready to experience the ultimate live show of machinery. Conexpo ConAg takes the stage March 10th through 14th, 2020, where heavy metal meets hard rock. Jam-packed lineup with the hottest names in big iron and tech, featuring top headliners in asphalt, aggregates, concrete, earth moving, lifting, mining, utilities, and more. All in Vegas to help you grow your business and career. Mark your calendar for the only heavy metal show you need to see. Conexpo ConAg. If it's new, it's here.
What's up and welcome to Turnin and Burnin, #1 channel, all things blue collar. I want to do a quick video because I'm going to be off in Vegas in a few days. All the time I'm watching YouTube, a lot of the great YouTubers are always talking about SEMA and the SEMA show. They're doing a SEMA build, they're getting the trucks ready, their cars ready and all that stuff. And although I love cars, obviously if you watch Firebird Friday, you know that. I've never been to SEMA and I've always wanted to go to SEMA. But a show that I have gone to and I love going to is the Conexpo, the Construction Aggregate Expo. It is the biggest trade show in North America to date. It happens every 3 years, so it is always big. There's going to be over 2,000 vendors out there. I've kind of been reading over some of the stuff just to kind of inform you what it's about. Main reason I want to make this video is I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be out there March 10th through the 14th. So if you're watching this video and you're out there, hit me up, leave a comment down there, say, hey, what's going on, man? I'd like to meet up. I'd like to meet some of y'all, other people out in the blue collar world, and to see what it's all about. But before this, I showed you a clip, and that's what Conexpo is all about. And I know it's just a little short video, and we're gonna get back to it, but I'm actually gonna do some videos at the show. I'm gonna go around. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't really have a plan or agenda. I know I'm gonna go meet some old friends that are in the industry that I haven't seen in years. I have a couple little business meetings to attend. But other than that, I'm just gonna go out and enjoy the show. I wanna bring you some video from that. It's amazing. You need to check out the videos coming after this one, because there are all kinds of things. You have crushers, you have mixer trucks, you have batch plants, full asphalt plants will be set up. There's gonna be cranes hundreds of feet in the air. Okay, maybe not that high in the air, but there's cranes, man lifts, forklifts, haul units, loaders, anything you can imagine, in any trade you can imagine out there. So hit me up if you're out there. And like you saw at the beginning of the video, got a new product line, T&B Culture. It's the Turnin and Burnin Culture. This shirt is not out yet. This is a prototype. Let me know if you like it, if you rock this. But take a look at this website right here. Go take a look at these. I put a lot of my heart, my soul into these designs. It's something that really speaks to me and something I wanted to share with the world. Shows a little bit of the softer side of the blue collar industry and the blue collar world. It is an art form. Every day we are out there building something with our hands. We are building the world one bolt at a time. Well, that's it. Hope to see you in Vegas. Stay tuned for the next videos. They're gonna all be about the show. And you know what? I'm gonna, nah, I'm not dragging up, but I'm gonna roll on up out of here. Peace.